Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, so here we are at the Dollar Tree near my school. So it's pretty small, this store, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what they have because they're already coming out with the Christmas stuff. Come on with me, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. So they had like the cutest little plate and mug with gingerbread. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.